Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, and what's up? Hey everybody, I am Naturally Stacey and welcome back to my channel. To all of my existing subscribers and to all of my new subscribers, hello, welcome, sit down, get a drink, get a snack, and welcome to my Tresemme hair review with thunder and lightning in the background. It is raining here in St. Louis, so I'm gonna try to do this quick. Hopefully I don't lose power. There's a lot of people with power outages right now, so I'm gonna try to get this done as quickly as possible. So let's go. All right, as you guys can see by the title, I received some brand new products from Tresemme via Influenster site. And if you guys don't know what Influencer is a website where you can go and just you can review anything from hair products, beauty products, movies, television shows, products, appliances, electronics, anything. You can go in and write a review on anything you want and other people can see it. How you get free products is what happens is Influencer randomly selects a bunch of people and they send you emails with a survey specific to the box that they are going to be sending out. If you qualify for the survey, they will send you a box of products, of whatever products that they want you to test. I have received several boxes before. I'll link those videos below for you guys so you guys can see all the different things that I've received. I've gotten like cat toys, cat treats for shadow, and moisturizers, different things to try. But let's just get to what we are here to see. We are going to talk about the Tresemme Beautiful Volume System. Let me make sure I'm saying that correctly. Beautiful Volume Collection, not system, but whatever, it's all the same. And the first product that I use basically is a reverse hair wash. That's really what this is about. The first product that I received in the first step of the system or collection is the Tresemme Expert Selection Beautiful Volume Reverse System Pre-Wash Conditioner. And this is the 16 ounce of that conditioner. What you do basically is you put like 2 to 3 pumps throughout your hair and you leave it on for like a minute and then you rinse it out. Really, my hair was not very soft. I couldn't detangle it with this in. It was not that great to me. I could have passed on this, really. I could have. But, you know, I had to test it out. And I actually tried this 2 times just to see, just in case I wasn't using it correctly. The first time I left it in a little longer than a minute. And then the second time I went on and did it a minute and just didn't work either way. And the second step is the Tresemme Expert Selection Beautiful Volume Reverse System Shampoo. And this is a 25 ounce bottle here. This was not too bad. It actually left my scalp pretty clean, and any product that I had on my hair actually all washed out. So this is not a bad part of the collection. I may end up using this more like when I want to get out the excess product in my hair so I can just start over for the new week. So this will probably go in the rotation of shampoos that I use once a week, and I co-wash on in the middle of the week on Wednesdays like today. Might be co-washing, but I don't know, depending on the weather. So would I buy these products? Because I didn't buy them this time, but would I buy the products? No, I really wouldn't. I think this is not, to me, curly hair friendly, because, and I'm kind of looking at the ingredients really quickly. The reason why I don't feel these are curly friendly is because your hair, we need a lot of moisture. Because of the way our hair is curled, we need a lot of moisture. And yeah, my hair was not moisturized at all. Thank God for my my deep conditioner, my Shea Moisture Manuka Honey deep conditioner. That brought a lot of moisture back into my hair. Thank God for that. So, like I said, I would not buy these products again. I am not a gigantic fan of them. So, sorry about that. So, if you guys have any questions about Influenster, I'm going to link their site below. All my social medias at the beginning and in the bottom in the info section. If you have any questions, just talk to me below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So I gotta go. I will talk to you guys later. Love, peace, and hair products. Bye.